Hello and welcome to this video on item procurement management in ServiceNow. Procurement is critical phase in the IT asset lifecycle where strategy meets spending. In this video, we will explore how ServiceNow streamlines procurement, improves vendor selection, and enhance overall cost control. Let's dive right in. Streamlining the procurement process. Managing IT purchases manually can be inefficient and prone to errors. ServiceNow offers tools that streamlines procurement by automating and standardizing key steps. PO automation. Purchasing orders are automatically generated based on approved request, ensuring speed and accuracy. Vendor list. Leverage approved vendor catalogs directly from the procurement portal to avoid maverick spending. Standard items define commonly purchased items to fast track repeat orders and avoids delays in procurement. Then digital approvals eliminate manual paperwork. Approval flows are automated, ensuring governance and audit readiness. With these features, ServiceNow creates a centralized, controlled, and transparent procurement experience. Needs assessment and purchase justification. Before spending begins, identifying the true need is crucial. ServiceNow enables structured and data-backed justification. Cost benefit analysis. Tie every purchase to the financial rationale using built-in cost planning modules. Usage proof. Link your purchase request to actual usage data like expiring license or increasing workload demands. Then project tie-in, align assets with current or future projects, making sure they support business outcomes. Automated routing ensures the right level of sign off based on asset category, cost, or business unit. This structured approach ensures that purchases are not only needed but also justified and budget aligned. Vendor evaluation and asset validation. Choosing the right vendor and validating assets is critical for long-term item success. Rate vendors based on delivery timelines, cost, service history, and support. These scores are visible within the procurement flow. Validate whether requested assets meet technical, security, or compliance requirements before approval. Link asset capability rules with existing infrastructure data from the CMDB. Pull historical data on asset performance to make informed data driven decisions. ServiceNow makes sure that you don't just buy fast, you buy smart. Cost control and vendor optimization. Procurement is not just about acquiring assets, it's about doing it at the right cost. ServiceNow enables procurement team to access previous pricing, benchmark and contract terms before finalizing deals. Set renewal alerts for upcoming contracts and licenses to avoid service interruptions or last minute decision. Identify opportunities for volume purchasing across departments to drive better discounts. Keep track of negotiated discounts and ensure they are honored during invoicing and PO matching. These insights ensure financial efficiency and better vendor relationship over time. Let's wrap up with quick overview. You learned how ServiceNow simplifies procurement through automation and workflows, how justification, vendor selection, and validation help reduce unnecessary purchases, and how smart cost control tactics enhance your item strategy. In the next video, we will explore license and contract lifecycle management, a core part of keeping your software investments efficient and compliant. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.